we played, what song did we make up today about the mice?
Yep.
What was the song we made up to about the mice?
Two bad mice, two bad mice, two bad mice.
There you go. Will you play it for me?
Okay.
So I forget how it goes. How does it go?
It goes. Two bad mice, two bad mice, two bad mice, two bad mice.
Okay. Can you play the piano?
Two bad mice, two bad mice.
Very good. How about thunder and rain? Can you do thunder and rain?
Two bad mice, two bad mice, two bad mice, two bad mice. That's about two bad mice. Like this. That's two bad mice. What happened?
Nothing. I was giggling a lot. And I fell over. Can you do thunder and rain?
I think I can.
Okay.
I think I can. I think I can.
I think I can.
I think I can. I think I can. I think I can.
Okay, do it.
Follow me.
And that was thunder and rain.